It's Monday, July 29th, and this is Plan Company's video newsletter. In today's news, booming multifamily sector has fueled latest growth spurt for Plan Companies. Plan Companies joins in the daylight hour movement. Round 3 of How Well Do You Know Plan Companies? And Plan launches Plan TV teaser video. These stories coming up right after this. Plan Companies was founded in 1898. We're based in New Jersey and support clients all over the East Coast and California. We specialize in janitorial, concierge, security guards, and building maintenance. This is Volume 3 of our video newsletter. Let's go. Number 1. Booming multifamily sector has fueled the latest growth spurt for Plan Companies. Written by Joshua Bird in the NJ Real Estate magazine. Our CEO, Robert Francis, was interviewed. If they grow and they continue to like us, we'll grow. Much of the growth has come in New Jersey, where developers have built tens of thousands of units. Francis attributed the growth to a host of new developers, investors, and managers. Across the country, Plan provides service for more than 100,000 apartment units. To read the full article, visit our newsroom at plancompanies.com/newsroom. Number 2. How well do you know Plan Companies? Take our quiz to find out. What were the most popular baby names in the U.S. the year Plan Companies was founded? Were they Albert and Edna, Floyd and Maud, or John and Mary? John and Mary were the most popular baby names in 1898, the year Plan Companies was founded. Mary was the most popular girl's name in the U.S. over the past 100 years. And James was the most popular boy's name in the U.S. during the same time period. Emma and Liam were the most popular baby names in the U.S. in 2018. Number 3. Number 4. So that's what's happening with Plan Companies this month. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click on the link in the description, so that next month you'll get the inside scoop on all things Plan Companies. Thanks for watching.